Hello mga kabusan! Fruits in Korean. Apple, sagwa, banana, banana, blueberry, blueberry, cherry, cherry, coconut, coconut, grape, pudo, kiwi, kiwi, lemon, lemon, mango, mango, melon, melon, peach, puksunga, pear, pe, persimmon, cam, pineapple, pineapple, strawberry, talgi,